Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Pisces, we are picking these cards, guys. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here, guys. We have 2 of fire, 6 of water and king of water. So in your circumstances today, guys, Pisces, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are someone who is a very friendly person. You have good communication skills. You help and support people, clear their doubts and give them valuable suggestions. And you are someone who respects others, their ideas, their intentions and their wishes. And that may be the reason people love you and people love your company. And you are wise and a very experienced person in your life, and that may be the reason you are giving others good ideas and suggestions what needs to be done. And maybe today you have your friends or family with you. You are quite emotional about something, guys. Maybe about your past. You are thinking about something maybe in your relationship, guys. If you are in a separation from your person, you are missing them, you are crying, thinking of them always, and you are wishing that things went differently. And maybe you would have had a lot of misunderstanding and troubles, but you love them. You love them wholeheartedly, and you wanted this person in your life. But things went in a different way. Things went in a negative way between you both. That may be the reason you are in a separation today. Maybe you lacked clarity with them, and whatever troubles were there, you were unable to patch up with this person, guys. So find that understanding. Maybe say sorry and reconcile, make amends. Maybe you tried to do that, or maybe you did not try. That may be the reason for things going this way, guys. But you have some plans for your future, maybe your future relationship or what needs to be done in this relationship. Maybe if you don't want to give up on this person, you are thinking of ways to reconcile with this person, guys. So you want them, and maybe if it is your mistake, you are planning to say sorry and make amends, or if the mistake is theirs, you are willing to forgive them and move on, move forward. Make this relationship, try and make this relationship work, Pisces. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys. It is 3 of Earth. So with this card, looks like you are trying to be more flexible. You want to make this connection work. So for some of you, if you are in separation from them, you are moving towards them, trying to make amends. But if you are in a connection with them, maybe you may have some arguments or some stressful situation. But whatever it is, guys, you want to work with them. Try to build that understanding and trust in this relationship, Pisces. So, for your career situation, Pisces, it is Page of Fire. So, with this card in your career situation, guys, Pisces, you are someone confident and cheerful, putting in a lot of efforts, working hard, doing your best, and that may be the reason you are seeing some new beginning in your career. So, whatever you wish for, whatever desires you have, you are seeing that coming into reality. Maybe you know what needs to be done, what should be the first step or the next step in your career situation, guys, Pisces. So, some clarity you have in your circumstances today. So, that is the reading with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey. But they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, We just, what to say, we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So, you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So, you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however, life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So, you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So, whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So, whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So, you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps, move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.